Sarpanch of Village Panchayat Kamboli. Today we had a Gram Sabha meeting. And as for the meeting, we have already discussed what necessary actions will be taken regarding the points which we have raised for today's meeting.
What were the points?
First thing was we discussed regarding the migrants. There were applications saying like there are a lot of migrants staying in our village. So what action has been taken against them? We already made an application to the police as well, and last 2 to 3 months before we had done a survey regarding like where they are staying, regarding the owner, survey with the owner and the migrants as well. As per that, there are a lot of migrants in our village. So we now the next thing what we'll be doing is we'll be taking a meeting with the owner as well as the police department to get some solutions regarding, because this has to be stopped somewhere. If this continues, then it can be a problem for our villagers as well.
There was issue about regarding a bus parked on a train bus stop.
Yeah, this issue has also come up regarding there's a bus parked on the bus stop in Nakeli, and there's some scrap work also going on in the night. So we'll be taking necessary action also against that to stop it so that the bus can be removed from that place, and no obstructions has to take place there, because there are village people going around, walking around, and we have also heard that there are some migrants maybe sitting over, I don't know, they be there late night on the bus stop, sitting there chit-chatting. That can be very harmful to our villagers also, because nowadays we don't know what is happening around. So we'll be taking an action against that as well.
Issue of a spring being polluted. What is the reason?
The reason is first, like there were people coming around in and out, like people used to come there to have bath. There used to be kids playing around, but now it's like left barren. Like nobody is coming around. One major thing will be like because of the pollution. I mean, it's not in a proper state. Though we have cleaned it, but the water level is gone below. So we'll be writing a letter to the biodiversity and the water department also to check what is the problem. Okay, and then we'll come up with something. I request all the people to it's not only we, the deputy sarpanchis or the sarpanchis or the panch members, like to maintain the spring. There was an issue where I didn't speak it to the Gram Sabha, but I'm just letting you all know. There was an issue like I got a call at 7 o'clock in the evening saying that I'm like not able to talk it here. Like someone has made some nuisance over there. She created a nuisance over there. So what I want to say is, we all have our houses. We know how to take care of our house. So it's not that it's because someone else's property we just go and do something else, which is very bad from our part. So I just request all the people to maintain it.
There was another issue about these cars parked on the roads and all. What action? And I think the panchayat had taken a resolution before, so it is still being continuing. How is it?
The panchayat has taken a resolution regarding this car thing, but I would tell the people, like, we issue notices, we tell the people like to remove it, to keep it aside, but it's like we be in the bad books. At last, the solution is we be in the bad books. So I request whoever is the owner, whoever is doing it, to please take necessary action against it, because we don't want to face any difficulties happening in our village, which is very bad. Then later they say like this one is doing that, so we don't want any of that.
No, this new devilings and all, what you all passed before, do you all let them know about the car park, or see when the new projects are coming, or how is the car parking and all of this? Have you all anytime tell them that how is it when you all pass the projects?
No, see, it all depends on the TCP also. So, like what rules and regulations they have. But at some point, people disagree with that. They don't follow the procedures. They just like do it however they feel happy, like how they wanted to do. But I think so we'll not be going ahead with this. Like we'll have to do something regarding this matter. Because first they say like, no, we got a TCP, we got an approval from the TCP. Later they go for a revised plan, but later if you go to see, their plan keeps changing in and around. So we'll be taking an action. We'll be taking an action regarding this also.
What is your name, ma'am?
Raina,
Rahina?
Dice.
Thank you.
Thank you.